Hello! So today I'm bringing you the Crisscross tank dress fitted style. So I had a couple of requests to make this particular dress style. Here's the back where it's tied up. Get to show off both layers, which is kind of fun. And it's very secure, so it's a great, it's not going anywhere. Even if the wind blows this up, you have other layers under here. It's firm, your kids can tuck on it. It's not gonna show the side boob, so it's a really great dress that's very, comforting and secure. So I'm gonna take it, deconstruct it, and do it together with you all. This particular skirt I got from Skirt Art Sisters. Love them, love their brand. They're so sweet. They have some great skirts. You can find them on Facebook, so it's Skirt Art Sisters. And I got this beautifully coordinated skirt from them. I love it, and it just goes so well. It's got some ama on the top layer, some leaves, and then it just matches so well with the bottom layer. I was super excited about that. So Skirt Art Sisters, go see them. They're fabulous. Find them on Facebook. So you're gonna take your skirt, and you can do either side out, but I prefer to do the short side out, long side in. Your first thing you're gonna do is take the strap from one side and find the buttonhole that's in the middle in the back, and you're gonna loop that through. I always go from the side of the skirt that's touching my skin out, so the strings hang out. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, but twist it to the other side. Okay, and find that buttonhole that's in the back and slip that strap through. And so that's the first step, it's an important step here. Okay, don't pull it too tight, so then you got to bring it back to the front, and you're going to lift it up and put your arm through each strap. So you've made like little tank top straps basically. So now that you've got both arms through each straps, you might need to take a peek in the mirror and just kind of adjust where you want the skirt. And at the same time, you're gonna pull those straps through the back and just yank, whatever. Get that skirt going up. So bring it up there, get it up. And then just adjust the skirt as needed in the front. So I like to put the strap below my bosom. Some people might want to have it up higher. It's really just kind of whatever feels good to you. And kind of got a V-neck going. And then you're gonna wanna kind of pull it over and make sure you don't have side boob hanging out here. And then on the other side. Now you're gonna take your straps and just do a bow or a little knot or whatnot right under your bosom there. Okay, now to make it fitted, because you could just wear it like this, okay? It's a little bit not as secure, but this is a super cute flowy dress style, definitely works. This is it in the back, just nice little tank top style dress. And you can stop here if you like this is a totally great dress style, and I've worn it this way several times. You can add a little belt here if you want, that can help keep it a little bit secure as well, like one of those elastic ones or whatnot, but that's an idea. But to get it fitted, your next step, lift up the top, everything, and find your short layer underneath, find the edge of it, and you're going to take that and you're gonna stick it out under your armpit here. I don't know if you guys can see me. So I'm taking that short layer and I'm sticking it out of the little tie that I made, okay? And it comes the point just comes all the way out. Pull it until the skirt doesn't come out any further from the point, okay? And then you've got your other side of the short layer, and you're going to grab both points, kind of further up the skirt, and tie it behind your rack. I just do like a little knot. If you can twist them to make a bow if your skirt's long enough or you have excess material, there's a couple ways to do it. But there you go, you have your little kind of bow in the back. It's fitted here, and then you might have to readjust just where it's falling on the side, but that really helps cover the side of your bra or your boobs or whatever is there, and that can be really helpful, but it also makes it more secure. So if you leave it down the other way, which you can, sometimes the skirt tends to migrate forward, so I'll use safety pins or magnets to keep it in place on the side. But without either a safety pin or magnet or tying the skirt like this, your boob's gonna pop out. It just kind of comes over to the side slowly, especially if you have kids that are like yanking on it. But this way, the kids can pull all they want and it's not going anywhere here. So this is the crisscross tank top dress fitted style. Or if you stop a little earlier, you can leave it as just the crisscross tank top dress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and that's a wrap.